officials and the city assessor's office. And of course, they're here now today.
To the members of the Sangguniang Panlunsod, City of Taguig, regarding the study findings on the DMC Island welfare. In light of the findings and recommendations, we respectfully request the honorable members of the Sandong for Engineer Marcelo M. Serpahuan, our city engineer and building official, from Engineer Jericho Association chain specifically linked to DMCI's landfilling activities. It examines how the alteration of natural topographical actions by DMCI, essential infrastructure upgrades, strengthen regulatory enforcement, and long-term urban planning really alter the site's natural hydrology, replacing permeable water-absorbing land and defined flow paths that inevitably flows off the elevated DMCI property, overflowing the existence, drainage, infrastructure, lacking natural outflows and concentrating runoff. The development effectively export its flood risk to downstream communities. To address the flooding, given the urgency of mitigating flooding in adjacent barangays, leveraging existing man-made or natural channel designated to collect, convey, and safely discharge rainwater runoff from the urban agriculture, the conversion of the former agricultural catchment basin and creek network through landfilling for the DMCI impacts caused by the disruption of natural drainage pathways. Urgent action on both fronts is required, and catch basins, and mandating comprehensive watershed scale drainage impact assessment for future developments. 15 Volume 1, relevant section from Chapter 3, Earthworks and Foundation, Section 302.1, General, excavations or safe disposal paths. The development failed to meet NSCP standards, thus violating PD number 1067. The Water Code 1067 includes several provisions relevant here. Article
Para sa mga creeks na binahayan. At hinihilingan ko ang ating city engineering questions. And then, kung wala pang questions masyado ngayon, ang stand po namin talaga ay hindi po tanggapin ang inyong donasyon. Ang kadastro, lalabas yun na yun ay creek. Nandito po ang ating assessor's office para patunayan na yun ay creek.